And now the end is near as we face the final chapter. My friends, I'll say it clear, Christ will return, some call the rapture. I've lived a life of sin, and I've traveled down whatever highway, and more, much more than this. It was not God's way. Regrets were quite a few, then again too many to mention. But Christ would pay my price. All along was God's intention. He planned to take my place, even though it wasn't my way home. And more, much more than this, I know that it's God's way. Yes, there were times I know He knew that I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, don't ever doubt, Christ was there to pull me out. Because of Him, I'm gonna win, and that is God's way. When I realized why He died, it changed my life of always losing. And now I live for Him. You see, it is of my own choosing to think He died for me. I'll state His case, no, not in a shy way, and more, much more than this, I know that it's God's way. For what is a man? What can he do without the Lord to guide him through? He shed His blood for you and me, nailed to a tree on Calvary. The record shows He took my blows, and that is God's way. The record shows He took our blows, and that is